Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial, auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. Today we will tell you important news about the Loopring cryptocurrency. Loopring price surges by 50% after GameStop's NFT marketplace integration. Filling multiple needs within the cryptocurrency community is one way a project can set itself apart from the competition and attract users and liquidity to its ecosystem. Loopring aims to do exactly this by aiming to offer an Ethereum virtual machine, EVM-based solution with low fees where decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible token, NFT, developers and investors can transact. The Layer 2, two-layer, scaling solution utilizes zk-RLs to provide fast and low-cost transactions. The project has been gaining traction throughout the month of March. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView shows that the price of LRC gained 57% between March 21 and March 23. Its price increased from 78 cents to $1.23 amid a spike in its 24-hour trading volume to $2.75 billion. Redevelopments that have helped spark the reversal in the price for Loopring, LRC, include the beta launch of the GameStop NFT marketplace on the Loopring network, the inflow of new users in a rapidly expanding NFT ecosystem. GameStop selects Loopring for its upcoming NFT marketplace. The most significant and recent development that helped to drive the increase in demand for LRC was the March 23 announcement that GameStop has integrated the beta version of its NFT marketplace with the Loopring network. GameStop reports that it chose Loopring to host its NFT marketplace due to the network's ability to mint NFTs for a fraction of the cost required on Ethereum, with the average fee being less than $1. Beta users can begin exploring the marketplace now and deposit funds in preparation for the platform's full launch, which is expected to take place in the near future. Surging user growth. A second factor putting wind in the sails of LRC has been the surge in new users in the Loopring ecosystem, as evidenced by the record high number of wallets joining the network. According to data from Dune Analytics, the wallet count of the Loop, holding LRC for long-term, assessing if it's an investment opportunity or gamble. In the past few months, the fortunes of many of the assets in the crypto sphere have not been particularly promising on the charts. Bitcoin and Ethereum have led the game of musical chairs, with smaller participants such as Loopring seeing massive gains in the process. However, these smaller coins have also been bleeding on the charts for a while now. Loopring sat at an area that offered an interesting risk-to-reward opportunity, but things could quickly go south. The price has been in a downtrend since December. It has flipped multiple longer-term support levels to resistance on the way south. At $1.23 lay the latest of the series of lower highs that LRC has posted on its downtrend. This was the level bulls would need to flip to support to show that the market has shifted to a bullish bias. At 74 cents lay a long-term support level that has been tested for demand over the past month. The price did see a bounce and post a lower high, as already mentioned, at $1.23. However, this bounce was relatively weak and early March saw an even weaker bounce to graze 81 cents before dropping. Since repeated tests of a level weakened it was likely that LRC would be headed further south in search of liquidity in the weeks to come. The RSI has formed an exaggerated bullish divergence in the past couple of weeks. This type of divergence is a weak one and is unlikely to change the overall trend. You could see LRC bounce towards $0.9. The DMI showed a strong bearish trend in progress with both the DI, red, and the ADX, yellow, above 20. The OBV has been declining in recent weeks as well. It pales in comparison to the Loopring price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Since 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. Loopring price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Loopring will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $1.20 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.02, with a maximum price of $1.20 for 2022. LRC Price Prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for the LRC will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will get a lot more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $1.47 and a minimum bid of $1.43. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. LRC Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. LRC Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average LRC price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, LRC, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. LRC Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. LRC is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of LRC will be between $6.52 and $6.75 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum LRC price ranges from $6.52 to $8.12 for 2027. Loopring Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Loopring could cross $11.32 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $10. Loopring Rate Forecast 2020.